Hey there. So here is SUSH app, and let's just explore how to add a SUSH home screen widget to iPhone. So first of all, you need to have iOS 14 to do that, but I guess that's just already quite an old iOS version, should be already available for you. I think you need to have at least iPhone 7 to install it, so it's pretty old iPhone. If you have iOS 16 or later, then yeah, you should be good to go. So here is SUSH. You need to be raising SUSH with someone, and then you just see it, something like that, and then just tap and hold, tap plus, and then you can just tap SUSH, and then you see widget, and then you can just tap add widget, and then you will see your widget, your SUSH available. You will see how your SUSH is growing here, so you just be constantly reminded if it's growing or there are some issues, you need to feed it or give it some low or anything. Then you can just tap and hold, and then select a specific virtual pad in that widget. So here you can just go and select that specific pad, and then you can select different ones in the widget, because you see I just have one, so then it's easy. But then if I would have more SUSHs, I would be able to add more SUSH. So here they also have some instruction in their app where you can just add it, and as you can see, that's basically how it works. And then you can just choose different SUSHs. Yeah, so that's the idea.